All right, guys, welcome to Lincoln Space once again. So this is how to claim your PAWS token to Bybit Exchange. The claim is live now, and you can go ahead and claim your PAWS token to Bybit Exchange or BitGet Exchange. But this video will be claiming to Bybit Exchange. So once you head into your Phantom wallet, this is the easiest and convenient way of claiming your PAWS token to your exchange Bybit precisely. So let's get started. Once you head into your Phantom, you click on this button right here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Phantom D app browser. Then you click on this search button here. Then once you click on this button here, you are going to see PAWS here. Or if you didn't see PAWS, you can search on PAWS.community. Once you search on PAWS.community, you load it. Remember, it's PAWS.community. Then once it loads, you are going to see something like this. So this is the PAWS website. So once you head into the PAWS website, you are going to click on this TG dashboard here. Then once you click on this TG dashboard, you are going to scroll up, click on next. They are going to see the claim button here. So go ahead and click on claim. Then you accept this. It says, I have read and accepted the PAWS token terms and condition. You can go ahead and read the terms and condition by clicking this link over here. So let's continue. So once you continue, you can see 3% withdrawal fee with charge from your token. On-chain withdrawal will be available later, but this video is basically for claiming to Bybit Exchange. That is off-chain withdrawal, so you go ahead and click on centralized exchanges. See two options here. The available option here is Bybit and BitGet Exchange, but we are going to be claiming to Bybit Exchange. So once we click on Bybit Exchange, you have Bybit account. If you have Bybit account, you click on yes. Make sure you verify your Bybit account before claiming to your PAWS. Before claiming your PAWS, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. This is how to check whether your Bybit is verified. Once you head into your Bybit account, you click on this button here. Once you click on that button, I'm going to see verified, as you can see. As you can see here, I'm verified. Let's go ahead. So since I have a verified Bybit account, I will click on yes, I do. Then the two options here is Bybit UID and deposit address. So watch the video. Let's get our Bybit UID and deposit address. So once you head into your Bybit exchange, this is the UID. As you can see, UID. You click the UID and it will be copied. Once you click the UID and you come to your PAWS and paste it here in deposit address. Let's go and get it. Once you head back to your dashboard, you click on this deposit here. Once you click on it, you click on this deposit crypto. Then you search for PAWS. PAWS, as you can see, PAWS here. This is PAWS. Then you click on it, as you can see. So you choose Solana since PAWS is launching on Solana blockchain. All right? Got it. Then you click the address. This is deposit address. Once you click here, it will be copied successfully. Then head back to the PAWS website in the Phantom wallet. Click on deposit here and paste it. Once you hold on it, you click on paste. Deposit is being created. Click on continue. Then continue. Then the last step, confirm. Then once you click on confirm, as you can see, done, you will receive your tokens in your Bybit account before trading starts. Bybit has been selected, so click on finish. So this is how it looks, as you can see. The 3% has been deducted. It was once 4,600, but now it's 4,400. So this is what you will be receiving to your connected exchange. So don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit the notification bell for more crypto content. See you on the next one.